Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the Asos box for May. Now I've been out all day today and I've just come home, well, around say 6:15 to find this. So I was ready to grab my camera, go upstairs and film a video, but no, my husband has been really busy in the garden and he hadn't made the kids food. So they were like, Mum, we're starving. Can you make some food? So I had to do that. So while it was cooking, I managed to take a quick photo and post up on Facebook and Instagram just to let you all know that it's here, that it's arrived, and you'll get to see the contents very soon. I'm sat on the floor filming on my iPhone in my bedroom. So if the quality isn't as good as usual, then that is the case. It's only just so that I can get this video out really quick for you lot to see what's inside. So if you're new to the Asos beauty box, I will just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Asos have been doing their beauty boxes for around 3 years now, and I've been getting every single one. Luckily for me, I've been on the Asos PR list since the start of the year, and they kindly send me their boxes for free a little bit earlier, so I'm able to show you and tell you all about it. The cost of the box is £12 and I pay £9.99 for free next day delivery because I do a ton of shopping on Asos, so it works out really great for me. But if you don't shop often on Asos and you just want to dip in and out of getting this box, then you will pay, I think it's £3 shipping. All details and everything related to this box and when it goes on sale, because it's not on sale yet, you will find down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So inside you get 5 beauty treats. They range from full size, travel size and sample, and all the products you can find on the Asos website. The boxes are usually released around the 1st of the month, but over the last couple of months it's been roughly the first week or two. They did used to give me a date of release, but they stopped doing that the last month or two because obviously it's a well-known box now. It's not a subscription box. You get to see what the products are on the website. If you want it, you buy it. People outside of the UK can get it, but I'm assuming it's since Brexit. I'm not too sure, but it seems to be only in the last couple of months that people living out of the UK seem to be able to purchase this box towards the middle of the month to the end. So if you are out of the UK and you see me posting up about this box when it goes live and you're not able to get it, don't worry, because there might be a chance that you'll be able to get it later on. I just noticed, look at my hands. I fake tanned my legs earlier on. Oh my gosh, is that one the same? Yes. Oh, okay. Anyway, we don't really know the time and we don't know the date, but we know it's around the first week or two of every month. I am on the Asos website. I type in beauty box and then I keep refreshing it. I am on there from the 1st of the month onwards, and I check roughly every half an hour, every hour or so. I don't do it past 10 o'clock at night. Nah, I don't bother. As soon as I hear anything, or as soon as I spot it, or as soon as one of you lovely lot have tagged me and said, Claire, it's live, then I will post it everywhere. I'll post it on my Facebook page, my Instagram page, I'll post it on Twitter. Not that I use Twitter often, but I'll post it there, and also on my community tab page on my YouTube. And then I'll put a direct link then, so you're able to just click on the link and it'll take you there. These boxes sell out super fast. We've had some amazing boxes over the last couple of months and oh my God, they just sell out super fast. I think last month's box sold out within 20 minutes, if that. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down in my description. So let's get on to showing you what's inside their May box. So we got a little card here, which I'll read to you in a minute. Got a little card from Asos. It said, "Hi Claire, we hope you love our latest face and body box. Coming soon exclusively to Asos for just £12. With love, Asos." So no date or anything. And I'll just give you a sneak peek for what's inside this one's box. Okay, so going back to the card. Time to treat your hair to some TLC. If you haven't shown your mane some love in a while, our latest face and body box has everything you need to leave it feeling brand new. Dry, damaged, split ends, we've got you. First up, give your scalp some attention by massaging it with a Frank Body caffeinated scalp scrub, because happy scalp equals healthier scalp. Okay, please excuse my orange hands. There's 125 mils there. I've tried a few body scrubs from Frank Body, but nothing for the hair. So this is new to me. Ooh, has it got a seal? Yeah, it's got a seal. There, it's got a smell. Oh, mint. Mint, 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 mint. Oh, it's lovely. It's really nice. Can I give you any extra information here? It says, wet and part hair, take a pea-sized amount of scrub and gently work into scalp. Continue to part and repeat until the scalp is covered. Lather and rinse. Follow with shampoo to aid rinse out. Using it 3 times per week. So you've got a Frank Body scalp scrub. Then level up with your shampoo game with the high-tech living proof PhD triple detox shampoo, which features moisturising witch hazel and charcoal powder to absorb excess oil. Ooh, now that is this something new? I have not heard of this one before. I've had a few living proof products in different subscription boxes, but no, I think this is new. Well, new to me anyway. There's 60 mils in here. Oh, my hands, oh my gosh. Removes product pollution and hard water buildup. And then it says, apply to wet hair, lather, rinse, follow with conditioner. Use in place of regular shampoo as needed. For hard water buildup removal, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. So we've got a triple detox shampoo by Living Proof. Next, reach for the We Are Paradox Repair 3-in-1 conditioner for ends that are super smooth, frizz-free and glossy in no time. So this is a little 15 ml pot of conditioner there. Look at that. I love anything gloopy. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells so nice. See, filming on my camera, I want to always look over there, but I should be looking there because that'll annoy you if I keep on looking there. So I've got to look there, and it's a bit alien because it just looks like I'm just staring at my door over there. Never mind. Okay, so we got a We Are Paradox, a Repair 3-in-1 conditioner. Next, we've got an Olaplex product, and it says, and for those days when you've got a bit more time, we've got one of the most hyped hair products of the year, the Olaplex No. 8 Hair Mask. Apply this formula for 10 minutes to moisturize, smooth, and add some serious body to your locks. I have got this. I bought this from Asos about a week or 2 ago. So it's a Bond Intense hair mask. We've got 20 mils here. Oh my God, the writing is so small. Apply to clean, damp hair, mid-length to ends. Use sparingly on the roots. Wet through with fingers, leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse fully in style as usual. Use weekly for best results. If you'd like me to do a review on this, please let me know because I haven't tried the one I bought yet, because I want to dye my hair and I don't want to apply any new hair treatments, masks or anything just before I dye my hair. So I'd rather wait until my hair settled down. But yeah, I'll do that if you're interested. Last item is by Beauty Works. And for a little extra TLC, you've also got the Beauty Works Argan Serum, loaded with all the good stuff to protect your hair when heat styling. Insert slow-mo hair flick. It's not going to work with me, is it? I'm a sweaty mess. I've been out all day. My makeup's all come off my forehead. Oh, never mind. Beauty Works Professional. We've got 30 mils of Argan Serum. It's a daily treatment and 100% vegan, free of parabens and SLS. A rejuvenating treatment formulated with a blend of the finest argan oils to deeply nourish hair and repair split ends. It's got a little pouch there with a handy little top so you're able to secure it. You don't have to use it all in one. So those are all the products inside this month's Asos box. I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products in the box. The box costs £12 and we've got a full size Frank Body scalp scrub. We've got a Living Proof Triple Detox shampoo. We got We Are Paradox, a 3-in-1 conditioner. We've got the brand new Olaplex No. 8 hair mask. And lastly, we've got some Argan Oil hair serum by Beauty Works. products. So it's all for our hair this month. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's definitely worth £12. If you love your hair products, that is. I'm really excited to give that a go. It smells absolutely gorgeous, lovely and minty. Yeah, I really can't wait to use that. I'm going to dye my hair this weekend, and then maybe I'll have a go next weekend, see what that's like on my hair. But I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, I'd love to know what your thoughts are. I just wanted to do this as quick as possible because I know there's a ton of you that want to know what's inside this box. So please let me know what you think of it. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.